Hey guys, we're about to unbox a Westinghouse pressure washer, 3200 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute, gasoline pressure washer. You can see in the box it comes with 5 different nozzles, a 25 feet hose, 3-year warranty. I got it for a good price, so let's check it out. Got my little helper there. Alright, I'll get it.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
I just cut it here. It comes nice and sealed in the box. With the user manual, mission control warranty. Nicely sealed. So you got the gun. Assemble that.
Gun goes here, look. I'll use this for that.
Look, it's in the box. Right there. It's a decent size, regular size for pressure wash. Alright, as you can see, we have it outside the box already. It's a beautiful thing. Comes with the back part detached. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do is just put it on and it'll click right there.
Hey, I wanted to do that job.
Now just press it in. Press the other one. It snaps right in.
Scissor time.
That's pretty simple. Got here an on and off switch. Got here the oil. Caution sign.
That's where you put the oil.
Got a pretty decent sized tank.
Yeah. Really good does.
For the gas.
And the gun.
Right here, like choke and run.
Then let me show them
Off
something.
and on for the gas.
Can I show our guests something? Let me show them something.
Oh.
Look at the gun. Gun do good. No.
This is it.
Where the heck does the gun go then?
The hose goes with the gun, and then this is where your water hose would go. Kind of right there. I've heard a lot of people complaining about how the hose is right there and it rubs against the tire. But we'll find out how it goes. I have one of them as seen on TV stretchy hoses. Let's see how it goes. Well, back at it, we have opening the box here. A little small box that comes with the oil for the machine, 10W30.
And this.
Piece for the hose.
And here are the little
This is
things.
a foot and M lock nut. And the 5 different attachments. So we'll assemble it together. We already assembled the gun. We just assembled the hose. We'll go outside and we'll try it out.
You mean we need to put...
I got it on. It's a little noisy. Let's try it out. Definitely need hearing protection if you're close to it. We're gonna hit this lime green. You see how it already has taken it off? I definitely recommend it. Thank you for watching the Westinghouse 3200 PSI.